What is a tube laser, you may be asking yourself? A tube laser is a three-dimensional laser cutting machine coupled with drilling and tapping capabilities. It can cut all types of tubing, round, square, and rectangle profiles. It can also cut channel, beam, angle, and flat bar, all with incredible accuracy and precision. It can add holes, slots, cutouts, logos, part marks, threaded holes, and custom end profiles. The laser can cut steel with ease, but can also be used to laser etch the material. This is useful for adding part numbers and marks to aid in the fabrication process. Let's go over some of the capabilities and capacities of the Mazak FG400 Neo. This machine has huge capacities. 16-inch maximum for round tube with a 1-inch minimum, 12-inch maximum and 1-inch minimum for square, rectangle, channel, angle, beams, and flat bar, with a 67 pound per foot weight capacity. The 5 kilowatt fiber laser head can cut up to 3/4 of an inch thick. The head also has a 5th axis, which allows it to cut up to 45-degree beveled end profiles, cutouts, and countersunk holes with ease. Another advantage this laser has is the ability to import complete assemblies into the advanced software. Once imported, we can create tab and slot details to help decrease the fabrication time on your shop floor. Tab and slots create indexing points for assemblies with laser-etched identifiers for the fabricators. This can drastically decrease the time required to jig an assembly and can completely eliminate mistakes during fabrication. An 8-position tool changer allows us to drill holes up to 5/8 of an inch and add threads to these holes using taps with a wide variety of thread counts and pitches. Another process we can add to assemblies is pie cutting. Pie cutting is used when there are multiple tubes in an assembly that create a specific angle required for fabrication. Instead of having to join multiple tubes together manually, the software will identify these connections and join the tubes using a pie cut. The fabricator can then simply bend the tube by hand and net the proper angle in the assembly. This reduces the amount of jigging, welding, and sanding required to fabricate a frame. There is one more amazing option for hole creation called thermal drilling. This process is used in thinner walled material up to 3/16 of an inch thick. Instead of drilling a hole and retaining the wall thickness, this thermal drilling process heats up and melts the material into the tube using a friction bit. This allows for considerably more thread engagement in the thinner wall material. This can allow the customer to avoid using threaded inserts, which are considerably less reliable and are also a secondary process that can add time to the part.
We hope this video has helped to explain the vast capabilities of our tube laser. We are always available to you at denvertubelaser@intselsteel.com. Please email any questions, files, and RFQs, and our knowledgeable team will be more than happy to assist you. We look forward to being your tube laser partner and helping your projects come to life.